The journey of a smartphone begins with a highly purified silicon crystal ingot, the raw material for microprocessors. These ingots are precisely sliced into ultra-thin wafers, each destined to become a multitude of powerful microchips. Each wafer undergoes a complex photolithographic process, etching microscopic circuits onto its surface. Robotic precision ensures the delicate silicon wafers are moved flawlessly between processing stages. Sheets of copper-clad laminate are precisely cut, forming the foundational panels for printed circuit boards. Lasers meticulously drill hundreds of thousands of microscopic holes, creating pathways for electronic signals. These panels are then immersed in chemical baths, plating the drilled holes with conductive metals. Automated optical inspection systems rigorously check each circuit board for even the slightest manufacturing defects. Solder paste is meticulously applied to each circuit board, preparing it for component placement. High-speed pick-and-place machines then populate the boards with thousands of miniature electronic components. The boards then pass through a reflow oven, melting the solder paste and creating secure electrical connections. Even the smallest micro-components are placed with absolute accuracy by automated systems. Large sheets of specialized display glass are precisely cut into individual smartphone screens using advanced lasers. The edges of each glass panel are meticulously polished to ensure a smooth, durable finish. Automated optical systems perform microscopic inspections, ensuring pixel-perfect clarity for every display. Multiple layers, including the OLED panel and touch-sensitive film, are precisely laminated together. Completed display modules are carefully transported by robotic arms to the final assembly lines. Meanwhile, powerful CNC machines precisely carve the smartphone's unibody metal frame from solid blocks of aluminum. Thousands of tiny metal curls are testament to the precision of the high-speed milling process. Robotic polishing arms meticulously smooth and refine the metallic frames, preparing them for aesthetic treatments. Anodizing baths provide the frames with a durable, scratch-resistant, and aesthetically pleasing colored finish. Other intricate internal components are rapidly formed using precision injection molding techniques. The creation of a smartphone battery involves precisely winding ultra-thin electrode materials into compact cells. These individual cells are then assembled into complete battery packs by specialized robotic systems. Every battery pack undergoes extensive testing to ensure optimal capacity, safety, and longevity. Inside sterile cleanrooms, robotic arms precisely integrate the complex multi-lens camera modules. Micro actuators make minute adjustments to each lens element, achieving perfect optical alignment. Wireless charging coils are meticulously integrated into the phone's internal structure. Tiny haptic motors are installed, providing tactile feedback to the user. The final assembly lines bring together all the intricate components in a synchronized automated process. Robotic arms precisely align and install the delicate display module onto the smartphone's frame. Automated screw-driving robots precisely secure internal components, ensuring structural integrity. Delicate flex cables are meticulously connected, linking various modules to the main logic board. Software flashing stations load the operating system and essential firmware onto each device. Automated systems meticulously test every functional aspect, from button presses to speaker performance. Dedicated calibration chambers fine-tune each camera, ensuring optimal color accuracy and focus. Each smartphone undergoes rigorous water resistance testing in pressurized chambers, simulating real-world conditions. Robotic arms conduct brutal drop tests, ensuring the device can withstand accidental impacts. Before packaging, each phone receives a final, meticulous cleaning and often a protective screen application. Finally, the completed smartphones are boxed, sealed, and prepared for global distribution.